Owning a home is one of the greatest milestones in life. But what if I could tell you there's a way to make owning a home even more affordable? The FHA Streamline is designed to be a refinance with a lot less hurdles, which means no income documentation needed, no hard credit pull, and best of all, no appraisal. Which just means it's gonna save you hundreds of dollars on top of cutting weeks off the time between start and finish to getting this completed, so you can start saving on your monthly mortgage payments right away. One of the biggest benefits of an FHA Streamline Refinance is lowering your monthly mortgage payments. By reducing your interest rate, you could save every single month. With the FHA Streamline, you could have little to no closing costs. Most of my lenders allow any closing costs to be rolled into the loan, but again, because it's a Streamline FHA, the closing costs are drastically reduced, which is not going to be like our traditional refi. Unlike traditional refinances, an FHA Streamline often closes faster, meaning you'll start saving on your mortgage even sooner. Another great benefit, most of FHA Streamline refinances don't require income verification, making it easier to qualify, especially if your income has changed. If you're looking to lower your payments, save on interest, and streamline the refinancing process, an FHA Streamline Refinance might be perfect for you. Okay, you're probably wondering what's next. It's really simple. I only need about 10 minutes to determine whether this product is a good fit for you and to share how much savings monthly you could potentially have with this FHA Streamline. I'm your California licensed real estate and mortgage broker, and I'm here to help you. Let's jump on a call and see if this product is a good fit for you.